How to enable or disable allow multiple S Pens on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Now in here, tap on the settings icon. Then scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, tap on S Pen. Then we scroll down and tap on more S Pen features. Tap on more S Pen settings. Now in here, tap on allow multiple S Pens. Tap on the toggle button to enable or disable allow multiple S Pens. Here say use another S Pen while your default S Pen is inside your phone. This uses more battery. So here I have an S Pen. So I will close it. So I'm going to grab another S Pen from my other device here, and then I can try to use it. So here you can see when I turn it on, I can use another S Pen when my original one is in the device. So if I switch it off, then this S Pen should not work. So sorry, this is the wrong one. So here, go to more S Pen settings, and if I switch it off, now this S Pen will no longer work. And that's it. Now once I turn it on, I can use multiple S Pen. Now this will cause your phone to use more battery, so I would suggest you switch it off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.